Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I want to do a quick video on how to change the battery in your Tesla key. So this is for the Model S. The key can occasionally die. Usually when you take it in for service though, they will change out the battery, but if you have one at home that you don't take in for service, you'll want to change this out on a regular basis. So it's super easy. All you need is a new battery, CR2032. This is one of the most common button-sized batteries that you can get. So see a link in the description if you need a link to that. Okay, so what you do is you turn your key over here and there's a little notch here. Now, I've seen some videos where they show you use a screwdriver. You don't even need a screwdriver. Just if you just simply get your fingernail in that notch and then just lift up, it just pops that open. And then what you want to do is just, once you get it open like that, if you just push forward, it just will slide off. So you can see there's a little hook. The hook's onto the little front of the key. All right, once you have the cover off, you will need a small screwdriver, something really small, thin, and flat that you can, what you'll do is you'll pry from the front of it, the front of the battery, for the front of the key is there's just a little groove. And you'll just very carefully and slowly pop it out. Then we just insert the new battery, push it in, and then when we're inserting the cover back on, if you see how there's this little notch clip at the front of it, what I like to do is I like to insert this part here, and then I'll insert that part and just snap it back down. So that's pretty simple. That's a pretty easy battery change. So hopefully that helps. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thanks.